Hi everyone. Today again we are continuing with the active to passive formation only. But the fact is that now we are doing models active to passive. Though in the series of this learning we have not done the models, uses of models, but the fact is that it's so easy that we can cover it here itself. आज भी हम पेसी वॉइस ही करने जा रहे हैं, एक्टिव टू पेसी। और आज जो हम करने जा रहे हैं उसके अंदर हमें मॉडल्स का एक्टिव से पेसी बनाना है। अभी आप लोग सोचोगे मॉडल्स तो इस सीरीज में अभी करवाया नहीं मैंने, जो अभी हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट की थी सीरीज। लेकिन मॉडल्स वाले इतने आसान है करना कि मॉडल हम बाद में भी सीख सकते हैं कि उसका क्या एक्चुअली में यूजेस है। बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर अभी आप सीख जाते हो तो ये आपको अभी से ही हेल्प करना शुरू कर देगा फॉर राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग। क्यों? थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया तो अभी मैं दे दूंगा आपको। तो ऑलरेडी आई हैव पुट द हेडिंग एक्टिव पेसिव वॉइस मॉडल्स इन द ब्रैकेट। नाउ हियर आई हैव रिटन एक्टिव फॉर्मेशन। तो मैंने कहा ना थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी आपको अभी मॉडल्स की भी मिल जाएगी। तो मॉडल बिल्कुल ही फ्यूचर सिंपल के जो ऑक्सिलरीज हैं या हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल और शैल उसकी तरह ही काम करता है, बिकॉज विल और शैल भी मॉडल में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं बाद में। तो उसके यूजेस हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे वो मॉडल्स की तरह भी कार्य करते हैं। फ्यूचर सिंपल में बहुत ही सिंपल है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब का उसका रोल होता है या ऑक्सिलरी कह सकते हो। लेकिन मॉडल जब उसको हम यूज करते हैं एज ए मॉडल तो वो अलग अलग तरीके के हमें मूड्स देगा, अलग अलग तरीके के हमें कैपेसिटी देगा उसको यूज करने के लिए। तो चलो उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे। लेकिन मैं जो कह रहा था टिप्स यही है कि फ्यूचर सिंपल का जो रूल्स है वो यहाँ पे अप्लाई होता है। द रूल्स एप्लीकेबल फॉर द फ्यूचर सिंपल इज ओनली यूज्ड हियर, सो दैट वुड बी वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर दैट हाउ वी कैन रिमेंबर द थिंग्स। सो हियर यू सी सब्जेक्ट प्लस मॉडल प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। दिस इज called active formation of model. Means whatever model we are going to use, after that first form we have to use. There are other formation also of the model, but we are sticking right now with this formation only, that after model you will have word first form. I hope is clear. Some of the models I have written can, can't, could, couldn't, should, shouldn't, must, mustn't, will or shall, that also I put, would, etc. So here the model would come and let it be anything, whether positive or negative. The verb would remain first form only in active mode. But in passive mode what will happen? Same thing what we have learned. जो हमने सीखा है वो का वही चीज है, कोई ज्यादा इसमें कठिनाई आने वाली नहीं है आप लोगों को। You are not going to face much trouble here. Object to subject, same case. Now whatever model we use here, that model will come here. B will be added because the concept of converting active formation into passive is what we have to use B form. So B will be added here, and after the third form that is also same. So as good as that what we are doing in future simple. After that by, as usually it comes. Yesterday I have shown you that other than by also some of the prepositions may come like to or it, etc. Then by generally for the object, and that object comes from where? From the subject. Means this practice already we have done, so there is no much. But the fact is that if we know what the actual meaning of that model, then we have better idea to use it for our speaking and for our writing. Now let's see here. Examples I written active and passive. Likewise I have made today, so you can understand in much better way. Like here he can do it, means I am showing the ability, वो इसे कर सकता है. Now what is here? He is the subject, do is the verb, and it is the object. Same process. Now that object will come at the place of subject, so it will be it only. Can means can only. Be will be added. Do third form is done by, and this he will come this side, then it becomes him. Now what is the Hindi of this? He can do it, वो इसे कर सकता है. It can be done by him, यह उसके द्वारा किया जा सकता है. Suppose I have to speak or write this much only कि हाँ इसे किया जा सकता है. Yes, it can be done. Likewise, you can speak or write. So this is what you are getting. Further, some more ability to enhance your writing and speaking capabilities. Now, suppose I take negative one to show you that doesn't make any difference. He cannot do it. He can't do it. Okay. Now, same case, subject, verb, object. Now you see here, it remains it only after coming at the place of subject. Can't remain there only. Be will be added, done by him. Same thing in negative. वो ऐसे नहीं कर सकता, इसे नहीं किया जा सकता उसके द्वारा. It can't be done by him. Suppose I say, no, it can't be done. इतना ही काफी है मेरे लिए. नहीं, इसे नहीं किया जा सकता. Suppose I have to deny something. So likewise, this would be required when it is needed to show the subject with a less importance. Then only, otherwise sometimes it is not required. Today also it will be visible to you, it will be taught to you. Now suppose here I have taken the third sentence. We must follow traffic rules. This must shows a compulsion or duty. It's our duty to follow the traffic rules. Is it there or not? Yes. If we don't, then likely to be meeting with an accident. So better we must follow, and that's what must is used because it's compulsion, it's the duty. And if you don't follow the traffic rules, then you are fined for the reason must would come. Now here if you see carefully, subject, this is verb follow, and then traffic rules, object. Now same way traffic rules will come at the place of subject, must will be there, be will be added, followed third form by us. I have written here unimportant. Now why I have written unimportant, that you have to understand. Some of the subject here like we, they, people, somebody, anybody, something likewise, where you are already knowing that this will be done by the people only, by us only. So no animal will follow the traffic rules. What I mean, people will only follow, we will only follow. For the reason here it is not required to show by us. In PC this much is sufficient, like traffic rules must be followed, that's it. If you write by us, no harm, but at the same time when you reach to the competitive level, there you won't find that bias is required to be written, because in option bias wouldn't be there. So for the reason I have told here only that you should be careful. But now if you write, doesn't make any difference, but at the same time I have shown you that unimportant, because इसका कोई महत्व नहीं है, ट्रैफिक रूल हमारे द्वारा ही फॉलो किया जाएगा. Now next I have taken you should help her. Now here is subject, advice is like advice, तुम्हें इसकी सहायता करना चाहिए. Subject, help is verb and her is object. Now this her will come here as a subject C, should will remain should only, be will be added, had third form is help by, and you will come this side. तो तुम्हें उसकी सहायता करना चाहिए, उसकी सहायता की जानी चाहिए उसके द्वारा. Suppose I want to say to someone, उसकी सहायता की जानी चाहिए, then even by you is not required, है ना. Now one more I have taken here, number 5. People shouldn't throw garbage on the road. This is also advice. लोगों को कचरा सड़क पर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. हम लोग फेंक देते हैं. We are very much in habit of throwing all this garbage on the road, and we make the roads dirty. This is not good. But here now you see garbage was object, so it will come here. Shouldn't will remain here only. Be will be added. Throw third form thrown. So throw third form thrown on the road by people. Now this also becomes unimportant. Why? Because लोग ही फेंकेंगे, जानवर तो फेंकने वाले नहीं हैं. They may litter with some other reason. So what I mean that if you think that this subject what we are showing at the end as an object and that is not necessary, then it's not required to be put. So some of the subjects I told like we, they, people, somebody, anybody, nobody, these are all unimportant subjects and we don't put generally. But at lower side of the classes, when you are in the lower side up to 10th, normally people use, means they put object at the end. But in competitive examination you won't find in that choice. So you must be aware that why it happened. So because that was unimportant, so they have not considered it and they would not write it. Okay. So I hope you must have understood. It's all very easy, and now we conclude this also, this video and this lecture, and now we'll be meeting for our live class. So if you still have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Bye bye for now.